Hello everyone, this is Ashrit from Learn Digital Academy. The last few classes we discussed on basic shapes, how to use the shapes, how to play with the interface, what are the major shortcuts you need to use, everything we discussed. So in this session, we'll discuss on how to place a plan. So the plan, a 2D plan or a 2D draft which you have created with the help of AutoCAD software or any other software, how to place or how to import that plan inside your 3D view. So uh, let's follow the steps. We have options called file. So under file, you need to go for import option. So here we have a different options. So link is there, replace is there, merge is there, import is there. So just click on import. So wherever you have a plan, just find the local drive or where you saved your plan. So there you have a CAD file. So a CAD file. Here you can observe I have one sample of the CAD file. So just click on that and please open. So once you opened it, AutoCAD DWG DXF import options you will get. So here you can change the measurement units. For example, so a few people used to create the plan in millimeters, in centimeters, in feet, in meters and all. So maybe for example, if you created that in feet, so if you want to convert that feet into millimeter, so here you have a unit setups. You can directly use that where so here you can observe rescale option is there. So that is incoming file units. So click on rescale. So inches is there. So whichever measurement unit you prefer, you need to change it. So for example, maybe you created in centimeter. Centimeter you need to convert that to feet means you can give a feet. So if you want to keep as it is. So example you created in the feet in AutoCAD. So here also you need to work with the feet means leave as it is. Don't click a rescale option. So I created a plan with the measurement unit of feet and inches. So that's why I don't want to do any changes. What I will do, so just I will import that as a default. So then click OK. So once you click OK, it will take some time and it will load. In the top view, you can observe the perfect plan. So select or click on the top view, press Alt W, maximize it. So here you can see the complete plan of your elevation. That is complete plan for your interior or exterior or commercial building or residential, whatever it may be, you can observe. Just scroll in. I will showcase you what all what. Okay. So this is the entrance gate and this is the road. So once you entered, so this is the lobby, that is parking area and all. So the door is over here. So entry. So this will be the door, the master bedroom or a bedroom with attached bathroom, a small bedroom with attached bathroom, a living area, a utility or a puja room you can use for whatever depends on your plan or depends on your architect. So this is the open kitchen. So open kitchen is there. So inside a staircase we placed. So that is the staircase. So for duplex. So then one more common washroom or a common restroom or a bathroom, whatever you call. So then one more bedroom is there. So this area indicates the cupboard and this pieces indicates the windows. So then this is the first floor, one bedroom with the attached bathroom. So here you can observe door is inside a bedroom only. So then this is a balcony area. So you can place tables or you can place sofas and all like balcony. You guys know what is balcony, right? So lobby balcony. So then staircase. So this is one another bedroom. Maybe you can call it as a second master bedroom or a second bedroom. So this is the place for utility. You can leave empty space or you can place a plants. You can do a gardening and all, or you can make it as a storeroom also. So this is a very basic, simple plan. Okay. So that is a basic plan for any construction. So here also you can observe the plan. So normally a plan will be like this. So if it is more than 2, 4, 3, 4, 2 plan or plan A, plan B, plan C, like that it will be there. If it is apartments and all, you have a very bigger sizes like ground floor, first floor, second floor, base 1, base 2, parking 1, parking 2 and all. So each and individual time you need to import a plan and you need to work according to the plans only. Then only you will get a proper output with the exact measurements. So make sure this is the only way, very proper way to import your CAD plan or 2D plan into the Max. Okay. So after that also, you need to do some small unit setups or unit measurements. So you need to cross check it once whether your measurement unit is proper or not. So how to check that? So fine. So very simple. So in the top you have a customize option. So click on customize. Under that you have an option called unit setup. So click. So this unit setup is for your objects, is for your shapes, not for the plan. So remember, this unit setup is for your shapes. Whatever shapes you will draw, for that, this is your unit setup or unit of measurement. So if you want to work with the meters, so turn on metric. So by default, you will get a meter. You can change it to millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. So US standards. So preferably, most of the cases, everyone work with the feet and inches. So here you can observe the first one stands for feet, 2 stands for inches. So you can change that 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, like 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit you will get over there. So here you can observe default units of feet. So preferably, most of the cases, everyone work with the feet and inches. So few rare cases, or if the measurement or the plan is very big, so they used to work with the meters. So you need to check with your person who created a plan. According to that plan, you need to find your measurement units. So usually sometimes I go with the meters, so sometimes I go with the feet also, because I am flexible in both the things. I used to do both the things, depends on the kind of plans I used to work. Okay, so and make sure everything will be in feet only. So normally your house wall, exterior wall will be for ground floor 10 feet. So 10 feet means you will get a 3 meters. So you need to convert if you are doing in a different measurement units. Okay, so if you select for meter, so if you apply any shape, you need to give 3 meters for 10 feet, 6 meter for 20 feet, like that you need to calculate. If it is inches, 12 inch is equal to 1 feet, you need to play and you need to convert your measurement unit to inches to feet, feet to meters, up to you. Okay, so I will show you very sample. So currently it is in US standard feet. Okay, so take a box. So here you have an option length, width, height. So just randomly draw one box and lift it up. So I need a length of 2 feet or 3 feet. Apply a 3 feet. So that is, you can observe the length. So then I need a width of 1 feet. Apply 1. So here you can observe currently it is, this one is 1 feet and this one is 3 feet. So here height I need a 10 feet. Apply 10. So you can observe 10. 10 feet height. So normally this is how it will work with your measurement unit. Or in case if you are using this shapes, so rectangle, so just draw a rectangle. So press W, go back to your modify. So here you have an option how much you draw or how much size you given. You can edit. 5 feet I need. I need a wall extrusion of 5 feet. So modifier list, press EX. So EX stands for extrude. So click on extrude. So amount. So I need 5. So apply 5. So 5 feet. So in measurement unit also you have two things. So 5 stands for feet. The next second part stands for inches. I need 5 feet, 5 inches. Apply. You can observe exact measurement you will get. So you can use with this method also, or you can go with this method also. It's all the very basic settings, measurement units you need to concentrate. So the major thing is, the first thing is while importing your CAD plan. So that is 2D DWG file. So drawing, CAD drawing. The second thing is customize unit setup to measuring your shapes. So for example, if you change this metrics to meters, apply OK. So go back to your shapes, okay. So just draw a shape. So in the measurement unit, you can observe it stands with M. So M means meters. So if you need a height of 10 feet means just apply 3 meter. So 3 meter is 10 feet. So previously we are working with a unit like what feet and fractional inches. Apply that. So here you can observe if you draw. So I need 10. So here you can observe now there is no M. So here because we changed it for inches and feet. So this is stands from meter. This is stands with inches and feet. You can change each and individual time. So again I am mentioning it's completely depends on the kind of plan you are placing. So maybe in inches, maybe in feet, maybe in meters. So some prefer for small designs and all they prefer centimeters and millimeters. It's up to your requirement. Whatever measurement units you need, you can use that. Okay. So this is how normally the procedural way of placing or importing your CAD plan, and this is the way how to change your measurement units for your shapes and also for your CAD plan. So hope the session was informative. We'll catch up in the next session.